Let's take a look at using the complementary angle theorem. This theorem states that cofunctions of complementary angles are equal to each other. And you probably already have some idea, and you've worked with complementary angles in the past, and these are angles that are going to add to give you 90 degrees. Now let's talk about cofunctions. When we're working with our trig functions, we're going to be working with pairs of functions, and those are called cofunctions. So if I start with my sine function, and I add the prefix co in front of it, that's going to give us cosine. So sine and cosine are known as cofunctions. If we look at tangent, its cofunction is going to be cotangent. This also works going the other direction. Let's take a look at cosecant. If I remove that prefix co, that's going to give us the function secant. Now let's take a look at using this theorem. Let's say we're talking about sine of 30 degrees. The cofunction that goes with sine is going to be cosine, and the complementary angle to 30 degrees would be 60. I would get that by taking 90 minus 30. So if you go to your calculator, make sure you're in degree mode since we're working with degrees, and if we type in sine of 30 degrees, that's going to give us 0.5 on our calculator. If you try to type in cosine of 60 degrees, you're going to notice you also get 1/2 or 0.5 on your calculator. And obviously these two are equal to each other. And that's the nice thing about using the complementary angle theorem.